and soft skill training session. My name is Mehak and with me in this session is Saurabh.
And today we are going to talk about our culture and 3 things that you have to keep in your mind at work and while dealing with people in your business.
Remember, because business is a vehicle to serve people. So let's get started and understand the culture. At SmartBridge, we believe that in every action, in every behavior, in every thought, and in every decision we take, we need to check and drive the 3 cultural frameworks.
Number 1. Business is always a win-win-win relationship. Number 2. Goals come first, people come second, and an individual comes third. Number 3. Fail fast, fail differently.
The first one is win-win-win. Essentially, there are 3 key stakeholders involved in a business. The first one is the customer, the second are the team members, and the third is the business owner. When it comes to customers, their win is in the value. Customers always want value for the money paid. When it comes to team members, their win is in the financial growth and in the career growth. When it comes to the business owners, their win is involved in the financial growth, their brand growth, and freedom. Freedom from operations so that they can spend some time in strategizing and ideation.
The second pillar to our cultural framework is goal comes first, people come second, and an individual comes third. If an official task needs to be completed on time, which is also connected to the goal of the company, it is very important to complete the task without any delay and without any compromise. Please note that business is all about win-win-win relationship. If goal comes first and people come second, it is also a reminder for us that we may treat everybody in our business with equal respect and with equal courtesy, be it your colleague, be it your immediate boss, your super boss, your co-workers or your support staff. Cause you know why? No culture is a vulture, and we are an organization with a culture. Likewise, also remember your family's success is your moral responsibility. Because people who say work comes first and family comes second are the ones who really care about their family, and they know that improvement in family standard and quality of life is their number 1 priority. And the ones who say family comes first and work comes second are the ones you should keep a distance from. I hope you got my point.
The third thing that comprises the cultural framework is fail fast, fail differently. We all know that failure is a part of success. But if you are failing the same way every time, it means that either you are not recording your progress, or you are not measuring the outcome, or you are not reviewing or changing your strategy. So you need to understand that every time you fail, you need to fail differently. So here is a quick recap of the 3 cultural frameworks. The first one is business is always a win-win-win relationship.
And the second one is goal comes first, people come second, and an individual comes third.
And the third one is fail fast, fail differently.
So I hope you have learned about SmartBridge's work culture and the framework, and we wish you all the very best, and we hope that you watch this video from time to time, because who knows what idea might come across your subconscious mind.
Also remember, if you are not upgrading, then you are downgrading.
And if you want to double your earning, you have to triple your learning.